Welcome to the Deep Dive.
Great to be here.
Today, we're plunging into something really interesting, I think. It's about Korean culture and how people there handle their summers.
Specifically, the food, right? How they use food to cope with that intense heat and humidity.
Exactly. Our mission for this deep dive is to explore these unique Korean summer foods based on the document we looked at.
Sounds good. There's a lot to cover.
Okay, let's unpack this. So first, maybe we should set the scene. The Korean summer itself, it's not just warm, it's famously.
Oh yeah, very hot and very humid. Really sticky, draining weather.
Right. And that context is key to understanding why these special foods are needed.
Precisely. It's not just about eating. It's about a strategy. People eat specific things to actively stay cool, keep their energy up, and just generally stay healthy during that tough season.
Okay, so how do they do it? Let's start with the things that, cool you down immediately. The cold stuff.
Makes sense.
First one that comes to mind is bingsu. It looks like a dessert, but it feels like more than that.
It really is. Bingsu is, well, it's the classic cold dessert. Starts with shaved ice, really fine shaved ice.
Like snow, almost.
Exactly. But then you get the toppings. Traditionally, it's sweet red beans, azuki beans.
Okay.
And often fresh fruit, strawberries, mangoes are popular now. And then there's usually sweet milk, like condensed milk drizzled over.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, people absolutely love it on those really hot days. It's instant relief.
I can imagine. So, beyond desserts, there are noodles too, right? Cold noodles.
Oh, absolutely. Cold noodles are huge.
You're talking naengmyeon and bibimbap. I think those are the main ones.
That's right. Both definitely help people feel cooler, but they're quite different.
How so?
Well, naengmyeon is served in a really cold soup, like an icy broth. It's often tangy, maybe beef or kimchi based. The noodles themselves are chewy, usually buckwheat.
Sounds refreshing.
It really is. That chill just cuts through the heat. But bibimbap, that one's spicy.
Spicy to cool down.
Yeah. It doesn't have soup. The noodles are mixed with a spicy sauce, usually gochujang based, and it often has fresh veggies mixed in. It's vibrant. Some people find that spiciness actually helps them cool down, maybe makes them sweat a bit.
Here's where it gets really interesting. Two totally different approaches with cold noodles. One icy, one fiery.
Exactly. Options for everyone.
And we can't forget the simple stuff. Watermelon. It's everywhere in the summer, isn't it?
Definitely. Watermelon is a super popular summer fruit in Korea, just like many places.
But it feels quite important there.
It is. It's prized because it's so sweet and juicy. Packed with water, so great for hydration.
Makes sense.
People often eat it after meals as a sort of palate cleanser and cooler. And sometimes they even play games with it at the beach, like splitting it open.
Huh? Really? That sounds fun.
Yeah, it adds a kind of communal fun element. What's fascinating here is just the sheer variety of ways they use cold foods and drinks.
Okay, so we've got the cold stuff covered. Bingsu, noodles, watermelon. But now for something that might seem, well, counterintuitive.
Ah, you mean the hot food.
Exactly. Eating something hot when it's already scorching outside.
Yeah.
Let's talk about samgyetang.
It's samgyetang. It's a cornerstone of summer eating for many Koreans. It's basically a hot chicken soup.
A whole chicken usually, right? With ginseng.
That's the one. A whole young chicken stuffed with glutinous rice, garlic, jujubes, those are like dates, and crucially, ginseng.
And the idea is this hot soup gives you energy in the summer heat.
Precisely. It's meant to replenish the energy you lose from sweating and just dealing with the heat. It's based on an idea called 이열치열로,
Which means?
sort of fight fire with fire, maybe fight heat with heat. The ginseng is really important there.
Why ginseng specifically?
Well, in traditional Korean medicine, ginseng is seen as an energy booster. It helps combat fatigue, supports the immune system, things you need when the heat is draining you.
I see.
The thinking is eating the hot soup makes you sweat more, which actually helps cool your body down naturally. And at the same time, you're getting all these nutrients and the energy boost from the chicken and ginseng.
And it's quite traditional. People really make a point of eating it.
Oh, yeah. Many Koreans eat it on specific days called Botnol Chobok, Jungbok, Melbok. These are traditionally considered the hottest days of summer. It's a ritual.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it's fascinating, isn't it? Using heat to combat heat.
It really shows a deep understanding developed over time of how the body reacts to the environment and how food can support it.
So what does this all mean? We have these refreshing cold dishes and then this deliberately hot, energizing soup.
It means there's a really holistic approach to summer wellness through food in Korea. They're tackling it from both angles, immediate cooling and sustained energy.
It really makes you think, doesn't it, about how different cultures adapt.
Absolutely. And understanding these food traditions, well, it helps us appreciate that ingenuity, you know, how people figure out ways to stay healthy and strong, even in challenging climates.
So just to recap quickly for everyone listening, we've touched on quite a range.
Yeah, the cold side first.
Right, the icy bingsu dessert, those contrasting cold noodles, naengmyeon in broth, and the spicy bibimbap, and of course watermelon for hydration.
Simple but effective.
And then the big surprise, samgyetang, that hot, nourishing chicken soup with ginseng.
Each one playing its part. Ultimately, they all help people stay cool, stay energized, and stay healthy through that really demanding Korean summer. It's more than just recipes, it's wisdom.
Definitely. So thinking about all this, a few questions for you listening. What do you usually eat in the summer to feel cool?
Yeah, what are your go-to summer foods?
And have you ever tried eating something hot specifically to get more energy when it's warm out? Like that fight heat with heat idea behind samgyetang.
It's an interesting concept to consider.
And based on what we discussed, which of these Korean summer foods sounds the most interesting for you to try? Bingsu, naengmyeon, bibimbap, maybe even samgyetang.
Curious to know.
What stands out to you?